To install the free Microsoft Copilot app on your phone, you navigate to the Play or App Store. Here you search for Copilot and you pick the result from Microsoft that is with this colorful icon. Be aware that you don't install a sponsored link like this chatbot AI. It has nothing to do with Copilot. And it's even worse, Copilot is free and gives you GPT-4. With this Copilot app, you can have it on your trip, the business trip, on your work, private stuff, and use it. I will show you how powerful it is and what nice things we can do with the application. So right now I can hit open. And here I can choose to allow Copilot to send me notifications. I don't want that, so I say do not allow. And here you can see I'm getting prompt to sign in to continue, but I can also use it anonymously. So while coming into the Copilot, right now I use it anonymously. And here I can give it the first prompt. I can even activate the GPT-4 up here. That means that I now use the GPT-4. It's in the creative mode. If I want to change the mode, I can also do that. We will do that a little bit later in this video. So for example, down here I can ask anything. And here I can say something like, what's the capital in Italy? Then I hit send and Copilot will tell me that it's Rome in 2 seconds. Here it is, and we even have sources. That will be to Wikipedia. Again, I can ask follow-up questions, and I can even have the answers read aloud.
The capital of Italy is Rome.
I know it's very simple, but to get the full experience, I want to go up in the upper left corner. Here I want to click sign in. Here I want to use the Microsoft account over a work account. That is to get the most feature. So click sign in here and follow the steps. Once that is done, we're now signed in and can take advantage of the full experience. Again, I can click the 3 dots up here or use the GPT-4. Here I can choose to show all tones and I can toggle between creative, precise or balanced. I prefer creative unless I'm doing research, then I use the precise. And if I want some quick answers, I use the balanced. But the most powerful engine is in the creative or the precise, which uses the GPT-4 and GPT-4 Turbo. So now we can get a little bit more advanced. So right here, I could say something like, suggest 3 ways to start a conversation at a party for lawyers. Hit enter. Right now I'm at a party and I'm a lawyer and I want to start conversations because I'm very shy or whatever I am. That way Copilot can help me. So here it says that I can talk about current affairs and law, personal passion projects, professional journey, and I can even do follow-up prompts and much more. So let's see some of the really advanced features with this Copilot app. If you don't see this new conversation logo down here in the left corner, you can just click the 3 dots up in the right corner, then it appears, and then either click the new topic in the lower left corner or in the menu. I choose it to click it here in the lower left corner and I deactivate the menu. Now let's try to create a photograph. So here I say, create a photograph. Oops. Of a chameleon. And then I hit enter and Copilot will create a photograph related to my prompt. Again, I just use my English words to have this created. And this is nice. This will usually take, now you can see my image is generating. And this will take like anywhere between, again, 10 to 20 seconds. We can even do follow-up prompts to make the image even better. Here you can see that I can choose to add a jungle background or make it colorful, whatever I want down here in the following up prompts. There you go. We now have 4 chameleons. Here I can choose which one I like. Let's say I want the first one. I click it. Very nice picture. And here I can choose to click the 3 dots, click download. It's now in the media library of my phone. I can use it to send to a friend or add to an email or whatever I want. Let's move back. I can also use the camera on my phone with Copilot, and now it gets really powerful. Because here I will take a new conversation, and here I will press the little camera down here and choose to allow Copilot to take pictures and record video like this. Then you see that I now can record videos here with my phone. Let me choose to move a little bit backward and take an image picture of the shelf, or at least some of it, like this. So now I will upload that to Copilot, and I'll do that with the prompt. So I'll say describe the image in high detail. And let me just move this. This was another AI tool in high detail, and suggest how I can improve the interior design. Then hit send. This other AI tool is Grammarly, which is great for fixing your grammar and improve your language. I use it a lot when I create my social media post at LinkedIn. So right now it analyzes the image. I know I only took a part of this shelf behind me, but it was just to give you an intuition to how powerful it is. Can also do it. I have a friend that is a carpenter. He documents all his work. He just takes pictures of it and have Copilot documented to have it documented, sent to customers for invoices and all other things related to that. I also heard that there was a facility manager do it, and now we get it described. Here you can see that there's some detailed observations, awards and recognition. We have a Microsoft Most Valuable Professional. That's right. We also have the UiPath Community MVP. That's also right. I am both. The newest one is, by the way, from Microsoft. Personal touches. It has some bot mines and something like that. Then I also get suggestions for improvement, lighting, arrangement, color and texture, and much more. I'm using this application every day, and you should do so. The next lesson is right up here. Just go click it.